Hi friends, this is Swati. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to prepare restaurant style tandoori chicken. Required ingredients are: I have taken chicken large pieces and turmeric powder half spoon, red chili powder 1 spoon, ginger garlic paste, yogurt, coriander powder 1 spoon and salt 1 spoon, pinch of pepper powder, garam masala half spoon and tandoori chicken masala 1 spoon. Let's marinate the chicken. Add ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, salt, red chili powder and coriander powder. Now I am adding tandoori masala and garam masala, pinch of pepper, and finally I am adding yogurt. Mix it. Coat it with chicken. I have marinated it. Keep in refrigerator for 1 hour. I have taken non-stick pan. Add little bit of oil. Let it heat. After 1 hour, I have taken the chicken. Now let's start cooking. Oil is heated. Put the chicken pieces in oil. With low flame, put the gravy of the chicken. Let it fry for 10 minutes. Cover it with lid. Now let's check it. Let's turn the chicken other side. Yes, it's perfectly cooked on one side. Turn it slowly. Let it cook for another 10 minutes. Close it with lid. Let's check it. The chicken is perfectly cooked. Now I am going to add heated charcoal in a small bowl. Put inside the pan and add little bit of ghee and charcoal and cover it with a lid to get tandoori taste. Leave it for 5 minutes. Let's check it. Yes, it perfectly cooked. Now let's take in a plate. Tandoori chicken is ready. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.